This is the masterpiece of José Raúl Capablanca, the chess machine. Bernstein, a master himself, thinks he is safe. But then, the black queen moves to b2. It is a terrifying sacrifice. A queen offered for nothing. It looks like a blunder, but it is actually a trap with no exit. Here is the secret. The white king is buried alive. He is trapped by his own pawns, and he cannot escape. Think about the drama. If white takes the bait and moves the queen to capture the black queen, it is an instant disaster. The black rook slides to the back rank, and with one swift motion, it delivers a crushing checkmate. The game ends in a blink. But what if white is smart? What if Bernstein tries to defend? White moves the queen to e1, guarding the back rank. But now, the white rook on the c-file is left completely undefended. The black queen swoops in, capturing the rook. White is forced to take back with the queen. But the nightmare isn't over. The black rook crashes down to d1, delivering a check. White tries to block the check with the queen, but the black rook sweeps in, taking the queen on e1. Checkmate. Whether white plays the trap or tries to fight back, the result is the same. The white king never moved. He was dead the moment Capablanca played the queen to b2. Perfection.